Look at this amazing church. Look at this. This is just unreal. I love this. I'm gonna get the facade of it. Look at this, guys. Right on the Atlantic Ocean. Love European churches. They're just mesmerizing. Check this out. Look at this sick viewpoint here. Just climb up the stairs and bam, there's the Atlantic Ocean, guys. Isn't Ericeira so epic? Look at this, guys. This is my home for the next month. Ericeira, and let's go take advantage of this viewpoint here, guys. Look at this. There's the cliffs. Look at that. Where the cliffs meet the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Gorgeous day today. Gorgeous day today. And you can look out and just be mesmerized, guys. Look at that. What an amazing surf city here, guys. Look at this. Oh, look at it. I just love it. This is just what a gorgeous day today. Oh, I love the seagulls. Just love the seagulls. People playing some volleyball down there on the sand. They got the golden sand going on. Tons of seafood at every restaurant and cafe. Lots of cod. Cod is number one. Cod, sardines, peste de nata, vino, port wine. It's got it all, guys. A lot of octopus too. A lot of octopus and squid here. And this is Ericeira. Hi, mommies. Hi, mommies. Look how cute you are today. Are you Portuguese? You speak Portuguese? Does he speak boa tarde? Boa tarde. Does he speak Portuguese? Portuguese doggy. Look at you. Hey guys, check it out. Hello again from Ericeira. Look at this amazing church. Just going out for a walk in my neighborhood here and just stumbled across this amazing Catholic church here in Ericeira. Right on, I mean literally, probably 10 steps away is the Atlantic Ocean, guys. Look at this. I'm assuming it's a Catholic church here. But look, this is so epic. I want to go inside and look at it. Look at this, guys. Isn't that just gorgeous? Look at that. I want to go look and see what the inside looks like. It's right here in the main historic main street of Portugal. And look at this, guys. Look at that. There's the bell tower. There's the bell tower up there. And this is the neighborhood, guys. Look at this. And this is in a little seaside, used to be a fishing village. Now it's a major tourism spot. Great for the surf scene, guys. And this is it, the little cobblestone streets. Then you have the Atlantic Ocean right there. You have the little narrow streets. And there's the tower. Look, guys. And that is Ericeira. I just want to show you guys how cool it is. The little narrow streets here, little cobblestone streets, and of course, as they do in Europe, you hang dry your clothes. But I love the tile, guys. It's so cool looking. I just love it. Look at that. There's that, and then there's that. See that? The tile looks so cool. Then you back up, and you see, yes. I just love that. Look how pretty that is. I think that's a school of some sort. And this is the area, guys. This is Ericeira. Just walking down the little streets here. I'm making my way to the church. There's a church walking distance from here. Look at that. I love the gate, the metal doors.